everybody, this is Jerry Mateo within the DAW. So this video is for my friend Lewis. He wants to know how to do screen captures. So I'm going to show everybody how to do it really quick, easy, and for free. First thing, download OBS. It's free. I use Camtasia, but that costs like $200 to $300. I like it a lot better because it syncs up with your voiceover really easily. But you go to OBS, and the first thing you want to do is you want to set it up. Make sure your output is set up for this encoder. I noticed the other ones don't work very well. And you're not going to want to have the audio from this. But make sure it's an MP4 because it normally starts FLV, and FLV doesn't play back in most video editing softwares. So you don't have to worry about your audio at all because I don't like the audio from OBS. And then you also have to set up a source. So I have two sources that I've already created. If I select this, we can do window capture, video capture device, or display capture. You want to do display capture, and you can make the source visible, and you can capture your cursor or not. Really easy. Now for your DAW, you're going to want to download the Melda Productions M Recorder. It's a free plugin, and just make a couple audio tracks. So if I bring this up, this works in all DAWs. So I'll just go into M Recorder, and in Studio One, I just type it in. M Record. You can see it right there. Now this is basically designed to record your audio down. So I'm going to make two. And you're going to select a path. So you just hit here, and I already have it set up for my VO audio, and I put it in a favorites folder already. Then you want to name this one. So let's say this is your VO. You can just name this one VO. And this will be your master out. So you can put master out. And you want to make sure that you append numbers. That way, if you do multiple takes, it'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to synchronize all instances. That way they start and stop at the same time. And let's say this is your voiceover. What you're going to want to do is you'll want to solo safe the track. And if you're in Pro Tools, you can just put this on an aux, but this is a audio track in Studio One. So you record arm it, bring the volume all the way down, and you make it not monitor. That way, you're going to be able to have your input, like you can see right there, and you can have your master output. Then you just hit record, and you want to make sure you have some type of stinger or noise. And then you go to your screen capture software, you hit start recording, and then you just basically play a noise and record it. And that way you'll have a stinger, and it'll be basically a noise to match your video and your audio. That's it. It's actually really easy. After that, you just align them into whatever video editing software. Like I said, I use Camtasia, so mine will actually be right here using my microphone. When I hit stop, it'll actually open it up in a Camtasia project, and I can edit it from there. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Hope this helped.